I'm Courtney Shallow with YourLifeInBalance.info, and today I'm going to talk about how to fight cancer with foods. The materials that you will need will be to keep a daily food journal and access to a holistic health counselor. In order to fight cancer with the right foods, you first want to eliminate sugar from your diet. Sugar feeds cancer cells. Have a chemical-free diet and a malonate-free diet. Now, malonate is not naturally made in the body, and it is poisonous to our bodies. The list for malonate-free foods is very long and extensive, so you will want to look those up. But just to give you some examples, would be almonds with the skin, acorn squash, garlic, cayenne pepper, lemons, and like I said, the list is long, so you just want to grab a book or with the malonate-free foods, or you can also Google it. Eating foods that are warm to hot will help to kill off the chemicals and the molds on the food. And you have to remember too, sometimes when foods go through the processing stage, you're adding chemicals and preservatives to those foods. So just remember, a diet free of all chemicals, all artificial colors and flavors will be the most beneficial. Cooking from scratch is very important when fighting cancer with foods, because you know exactly how you're cooking, what you're cooking with. You know that you're not putting any added chemicals or preservatives in it. So it will take a little bit of time and more preparation, but it is essential and very important. And those are some tips on how to fight cancer with foods.